Good morning. Here's a structure back at Morro Bay. This one is kind of woven to where it's shaped like that. So you can see there's the Y's that Browndorf was talking about, the Y shapes that are used in the structures. This one is it's neat because there's always, like, see that wood right there that goes like that. Almost most of the structures I've seen have that right in front. So I don't know if that's a boundary that's completing the shape. But here's this structure, and you can see how big this tree used to be. It was huge. So then they just kind of laid the wood right in front. And this was the one with the hanging rope. Someone removed it. That hanging rope was removed since yesterday. See it down there? I didn't do a thorough video on these structures until I read the questions, and I've counted about 8 structures. And so to give you a more thorough look of the structure, this one's neat. That's some big wood right there. It's like really big. It's huge. Okay, I'll go to another structure and make another video.